That's it for the holiday season. I'm done. Today is the 21st of December. That's why I hit chest on Monday, the 19th of December. Oh God.
Comment of the week is, I've been looking around at tennis bracelets recently and see them advertised as 5-pointers, 7-pointers, 10-pointers, etc. Can you please explain what a 5, 7, 10-pointer is when it comes to diamonds?
So 5, 7, 10, 8, 9, 11, 12, that's the size of the stone. So if you take a 1 carat stone and divide it by 10, it'll be a 10-pointer. So it'd be 10 stones to equal 1 carat. And so it'd be, if it's 5-pointer, it's divide that and it'd be like 25 stones if I did my math correctly. 10 would be the size of the stone. And then if you want to know exactly like the millimeter of it or the carat, well, the carat weight is 0.10. The millimeter of it, you go to carat stone conversion chart and then you put in 0.10, which is 0.10, and it will tell you the millimeters that it is. I think a 10-pointer is 3 millimeters. The bigger the pointer, the more expensive the bracelet's gonna be, because you're gonna have more carat weight, and also, let's say if you do 1 carat each stone, and then especially if you do the 1 carat each stone, or you do like half a carat each stone, you can get each one of those stones GIA certified or EGL certified, whichever one your budget goes for, or you can do no cert as well. No cert is gonna be your least expensive, but yeah, if you do like half a carat and above, you can get them all certified by GIA or EGL, but you just have to tell your jeweler when you're making it that you want them certified, and it's going to be a different price than the non-certified price. GIA is the most respected name when it comes to certifications. So what does GIA do? You can go to GIA school and they'll train you, and they'll show you everything about the diamonds, how to grade a diamond, yada yada. And then your no cert is just like if you come here and I grade it or the jeweler grades it. You know, they have experience at grading, but they're not 100% graders per se. And then EGL is right underneath GIA, and those diamonds are just a little bit less valuable. It's just because their grading scale is a little biased towards the better side instead of but it's still graded pretty strictly. I believe GIA doesn't have an SI3, EGL does have an SI3. Probably the biggest difference, honestly. But I mean, if you're grading EGL, GIA, just GIA is probably a little stricter than EGL. A lot of these importers, right, they import the rough diamond and then they cut it and then they send it off to GIA to get it certified. The problem is when you send it off to GIA, you're not gonna get your stone back for 6 months. So that's the biggest problem with getting your stone certified. So let's say you have a non-certified stone right now and you send it off to GIA, you get it certified, just you're not gonna be married for 6 months or a year, just depending on their backlog. But you send it to New York, it's very secure, everyone does it, and you just send it and they grade it and they send it back to you. You can also make them with lab-grown stones as well. And that'll be much more affordable. If you wanna learn how to make a lot of noise in a jewelry store, file some Cuban links. But no, if you want to learn more about diamonds and whatnot, check out this little lab-grown diamond thing that I did. Lab-growns are the new thing in jewelry, so check it out. shorturl.at.